Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a brand new 2025 Lexus GX550 and we have installed two 11.5-inch light bars in the top part of the grille. I want to show you exactly how much light they put out. So these are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, and these are the two 11.5-inch light bars. You get plenty of performance out of these light bars. They are a combo beam pattern. So not only are you getting the distance, you're actually getting a nice wide viewing angle. Take a look at the fence in the distance, as well as the tree that's fairly close to the vehicle. You can't even see it with the low beams. With the high beams, the tree's still not lit up, the fence is slightly illuminated, and with the two light bars, the tree gets lit up and you definitely get the distance as well. You guys are gonna absolutely love this product, and it complements a 30-inch light bar really well. Make sure to check out our step-by-step instructions so that way you guys can get confidence to install these products yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and I know you guys are going to love the product.